people living with disabilities there. All right, so still on politics, and after touring Kisii County on Tuesday, President Uhuru Kenyatta today takes his campaigns to neighboring Nyamira County. In Nyamira, he will meet and address residents at Ikonge, Ekerenyo, Nyamaya, Nyamira, Kimera, Magombo, Rigoma and Nyansiongo. Later in the afternoon, he will be in the Western Region County of Kakamega, while he toward Kisii, Uhuru, actually Nyamira, he is expected to also he's set to hand over 472 million shillings to another group of integrated IDPs in Nyamira after he handed a 358 million shillings check to integrated IDPs in Kisii County. All right, so let's now link up with my colleague Rashid Ronald joining us from Nyamira. Thank you very much for joining us. I can see you're all ready. So what are the expectations of the people in Nyamira in regards to President Uhuru Kenyatta's visit there today?
Yeah, thank you very much, Betty. Back in Nairobi, I am at a place called Ekerenyo. This is the second stopover. You made it you're clear that he was going to start at a place called Ikonge, addressing a road show there, a stopover actually, then all the way to Ekerenyo as a second major rally here at Ekerenyo. And of course, lots of expectations here. Yesterday, you saw what happened in Kisii. It seems that the climax of Uhuru Kenyatta's tour of the land of Omugusi is about settlement of the internal displaced persons. Remember, the victims of the 2007-2008 general elections. That is his core mission here. Yesterday, more than 350 million shillings check given to almost about 11,000 victims of the post-election polls. And also today in Nyamira is expected to do the same. Remember, Nyamira has the largest number of victims at around 9,000 of them, and that's why he's going to issue about more than 400,000 shillings as a compensation to the people. Remember, the issue of the internally displaced persons has been an issue here in terms of the politics of Kisii land. The IDPs have been saying that the government, the Jubilee government, has neglected them for many years, and of course they were trying to shift to the NASA. Remember, even NASA saying that now they already captured all the votes around here, and Jubilee is trying to come in and telling them now we are coming in. We are saying, Uhuru was saying, actually, I'm very sorry, it has taken long for us for us to compensate you, but now we've compensated you. Let's move forward. Vote for us come August 8th, Betty.
All right, thank you very much, Rashid Ronald, for that. He's going to be updating us